In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Quora, okay, using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Quora. I will show you for beginners step by step how you can join affiliate marketing easy and simple, how you can create your affiliate account for free, and how you can use free traffic to promote your affiliate links and start making some commission like this. Okay, so it took me almost like 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021, okay, until today I'm still promoting affiliate links, and as you can see until today, and today it's 2021 February, and they will click on 2022 and they will click on update, and as you can see the numbers are still the same numbers, and right now in this month I have 5,125 dollar in commission right now in this month. It's available in my balance, as you can see. So for people who want to join Fiverr affiliate marketing and start making some commission like this, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr like this, click on this link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, so you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, what you need to do next, just check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, and if you want to join, just click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page, as you can see. So what you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, okay, and choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next to your question, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Quora, okay, because we will use this website to promote our affiliate links. So just go to Google, search for Quora like this, okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address. After you finish, you should have an account like this one on Quora, okay, as you can see it's super easy. Okay, after you finish, go back to your home page on Fiverr, okay, and now I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate link I was promoting on Quora. So I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, okay, but I'm gonna share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that got me a lot of commission, but it's just using Quora, free traffic from Quora. This website is really amazing and has a lot of traffic. Let me show you. If we go to this website, so let me show you. So you can see over here that this website, this is the monthly visitors, okay, so it's 851 million monthly visitors. Okay, that's really a lot. Okay, you can get so much traffic from this website. Millions of people are using this website every single month. Okay, so anyways, so let's go back to our home page on Fiverr. So search for this service. Okay, search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design. Okay, and they will show you how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link using Quora. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, search for logo design, scroll down. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So you need to choose a good sellers. Okay, choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are a good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to click over here. So let's choose, I will choose for example this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on his service. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so let's go to Quora. So just go back to your Quora website like this, click on the search and search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design like this. Okay, click on the search for logo design, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here, so you have here all tape. Okay, click on question. Okay, so we need people who are asking question about logo design, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here asking. So for example, like this one, how do I find a good logo designer? Okay, this one, who are the best logo designer? Where do I get a logo designer? How can I know the best logo designer on Fiverr? Okay, so what you will do, you just need to click over here. So for example, like this one, who are the best logo designer? Click over here on answer. Okay, and what you need to do next, go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, and copy his title. Okay, like this. Go back to Quora and put this title over here like this. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you need to copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Quora and put your affiliate link here. Okay, like this. So this is my affiliate link. So what you will do next, you just need to click over here on post. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be sent to this person who is looking for logo designer. Okay, let me remove this. Who are the best logo designer? You will put your title here and your affiliate link here. So this person, if he still is looking for a logo designer, he will click on your affiliate link, for example, like this. Okay, he will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. Click on continue. He will buy this service. He will get found that this seller is top rated seller. This seller has a lot of reviews, and you will earn commission. And that's it. So that's how I promote my affiliate links on Quora, and I use free traffic from this website, and that's how I get commission. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment. Okay, and like this video, subscribe to this channel, check my other videos. I show you how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so much more. Make sure to check other videos if you are interested to start affiliate marketing business and use free traffic. Okay, and see you in my next videos.